slim down within 7 days. If you want to lose weight in a short period of time, you can lose a considerable amount of fat in as little as 1 week by making some major changes to your diet and exercise routine. 1. Adjusting your diet. Consume more vegetables, healthy fats, and lean protein. Cut out carbs, sugars, and animal fats. Have natural sugars, rather than artificial sugars. Create a 7-day meal plan. Have a small, protein-heavy breakfast. Eat a balanced lunch. Have a filling, healthy dinner every night. Drink water instead of sugary drinks. Keep a food journal. Write down everything you eat and be meticulous about it. 2. Doing daily exercise. Commit to a 7-day exercise plan. Warm up with light cardio. Start every workout with light cardio as you never want to stretch or put stress on cold muscles. Stretch after you warm up with cardio and at the end of your workout. Do high-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT is an exercise program that alternates intense exercises with short intervals of recovery or rest. Join a sports team or a recreational league. Take a fitness class. Mix up your workout week by joining a fitness class that combines cardio with strength building and interval training. 3. Adjusting your lifestyle. Avoid eating out during the week. Lose weight with a friend or a partner. Maintain your eating and lifestyle habits after the week is over. Once you have experienced 1 week of healthy eating, focused exercising, and other lifestyle changes, you may want to consider continuing these habits.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.